Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to connect Shopify to Go High Level. So first is to sign in or sign up for your account on Go High Level. And after that, click on the settings icon on the bottom left of your display. After clicking that, there will be an integration button on the bottom left again. If not, scroll down and you will see it, and simply click on it. Next is to look for and click on integration. After you look for and click on integration, on the right side, you have to scroll down and look for the Shopify, and then click on the connect or similar, and then input the details that is needed. After that, click on connect, and that's basically it.